Welcome back to Nerdy Style Closet, where we talk about everything from fashion to tech. And today we will have a unboxing of the Jordan 1 Metallic Purple. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And let's get into this unboxing. So for reference, like always, I wear a 7 in boys and an 8.5 in women. However, with Jordan 1s, I do like to size up sometimes. So I did size up to a 7.5, which is a 9 in women. So let's go ahead and get into it. Really excited about this sneaker. Of course, because it's purple, and I absolutely love purple. And I was able to get these the sneakers out, so I did get. I wasn't expecting it, but I definitely did. So that was always nice. So let's go ahead and get into this. So even with the box, I ain't even opened yet, and it's already fire. Like, this is gorgeous. I'm ready. I'm thirsty, but let's go ahead and just get over a few details of this box before we get started. And again, this is a US size 9 because this is a woman's release, and it is the woman's Air Jordan 1 OG in white and court purple. These are supposed to be a retro of the Jordan 1s that came out in '85. So that is the metallic purple ones that came out. So there are a couple differences, of course, the cut itself, but that is what these are supposed to be, more so retro on. Let's get into it. There's a lot of stuff. So start off with this tissue paper. Of course, it has the like clear tissue paper with the Jumpmans on it, which is nice. And I will say, when they do women releases, they normally have some really good quality, so I'm hoping that's the case. Let's get into it. They are gorgeous. Let's get rid of this box. And here we have it. Jordan 1 Metallic Purple. This material, right off the back, the materials look so nice. This leather looks so good. Just an all-white Jordan 1 almost with the purple bottom. And then you have the rest of the shoe. The purple is metallic. You have the inside with the purple satin like liner in the back of the tongue as well. And some people don't like this, but I absolutely love this. I think it's so cute, and I think that it's just so soft. So I'm sorry. New is okay. New is okay. I promise it's okay. Because once upon a time, the Jordan 1 was new. So new is okay. Let's move forward. But let's see. They also come with 2 laces. So they come with the white laces that we have inside, and they come with some pretty purple laces. So overall, it's a really dope shoe. I mean, it's definitely just a basic Jordan 1. But I love the tint of metallic. And plus, purple is my favorite color, so I can't really go wrong. So I did want to compare the Jordan 1, the metallic material, to the Jordan 4. So I have the Jordan 4 metallic purple, and this is super metallic compared to this. Like, it's for real metallic. You can see right away, like this holding these together almost make this look like patent leather. Like, it almost just looked like patent leather. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is still a dope shoe. It's still getting worn. It's still staying in the collection. But it definitely looks like patent leather versus this actual metallic purple. But overall, I still think it's a dope shoe. Again, I love purple. It don't take much for me to buy a purple shoe. Yeah, and it's just, I mean, it's really nice. It's really well made. I do wish that it was like this metallic. That would have been fire. But I still love this whole patent leather vibe. It's still cute. Love the color, love the simplicity. Easy to wear. Love it, love it, love it. We'll see what the wear what the wear of this end up being over time, but you know, that's all right. It happens. This shoe is one day will not be wearable. So that is it. So thank y'all so much for vibing with me today, and I hope y'all enjoyed this little short unboxing of the Jordan 1 metallic purple. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram at Nerdy Style Closet, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it. Till next time, see you good people later. I'm out.